So here's how to earn Temu coupons on Temu app. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Temu app. Once you open your Temu app, now here you have to sign into your Temu app with your account. Temu offers you daily credits that you can earn through by signing up to your Temu app. To win the Temu coupons, you have to just sign into your account and it will give you a free spin. As you can see, as I signed into my account, it gives me a free spin. You have to use this free spin in order to win a free coupon. Here, as you can see, it gives me a $100 coupon. To claim this coupon, I have to simply pick up any 3 items. From here, I'm gonna simply select any 3 items to add on to my cart. Once I have successfully added the items on my cart, here I'm gonna click on the checkout to get option. Then at this page, I have to simply fill up this form. After filling up the form details, now I'm gonna click on the save option. Once I clicked on the save option, now I have to select the payment via coupon. To check your coupons on Temu, you have to simply click on this view option and then click on the coupons and offers. Here you will be able to view all of your coupons. You can also view your expired and used coupons. So that's how to get coupons on Temu.